information about electronic device usage and storage, please check the Baltic Outlook magazine.
Welcome back to our travel vlog. We just arrived in Almaty in our hostel.
Well, actually not. It's already the other day. We were just too tired to vlog yesterday, so we're kind of cheating. And now we're showing you the footage from yesterday where we explored Almaty a little bit.
Right now we're on a mission to find a zip card. So our plan was actually to visit some lakes east from Almaty,
And the Shanrin Canyon.
but it turned out to be a bit harder than we thought to get there after talking to a few backpackers in our hostel.
And then we met Domingo, who's over here. And yeah, he had the idea to buy a tent. So this is what we did. We bought a tent over there and some mattresses, so we can camp in the national park. After that we went to the bazaar. We bought some fruits, right?
Apricot, which is less than $1.
Yeah, really good. Good price. And now we are sitting in front of the mosque taking a time lapse over here. So we just had a little break at the hostel and now we're going to take the cable car up there. See you there!